Hey everyone, this is Dorita here, your favorite counseling and exam tutor. These are the codes for November 2024 for Dr. Rosenthal's NCE CPCE and NCECE codes. There's so many letters here, but you catch my drift. But these codes are good until the end of November the 30th. These codes will expire, so make sure you come back here and get the most recent codes. If you have not subscribed already, please do. In the meantime, enjoy these codes, and I'm so happy. I got some comments about people passing using these codes to study for the exam, and I'm so thrilled. I'm so happy that I can bring this to you. And yeah, so study away. And here are the codes. Like I said, if you don't know in previous videos, if you don't know how to use the quiz codes, make sure you check the link in the description box. It'll tell you how to use the codes. You're going to use the quiz app, Quizizz. You're going to enter the codes that you see. For example, you have human growth development, and you have this code here, 941811055. You're going to enter that code into the quiz app, and you're going to use that either on your computer or you're going to use it on your phone. And there is no time limit as far as like when you have to have it done, just the time limit of a month, right? So if you have any questions about how to use the quiz codes, just comment in the comment section and let me know if these codes have been helpful and some other things you would like to see on this YouTube channel. So thank you and enjoy the codes and happy studying.